Hey everyone, I'm here at George Washington University in downtown DC, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some headshot photography with passersby and my friend. Let's get started. Hey, I'm here with my buddy Colin over here, and we're going to take some photos of him. Colin, stand right by this statue. Now, what I want to do is I want you to look above the camera, but not at the camera, and I'm going to take some photos, okay? I'm going to autofocus on you. Great. 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 Look the other way. Beautiful. Just like George Washington. Great. Awesome. Okay. So now we're at the steps of GW, and I'm going to give Colin a prompt to give him some more feeling, some more energy than just asking him to smile. Let's get started. Okay, so Colin, I want you to think that you're leading kind of a business meeting, or you're leading kind of your group into a battle, and I want you to look down, think about that, and try to express that aggression, that, passion with your eyes, mouth, and ears, but without saying anything. Do you understand? Okay, take your time, and whenever you're ready, look up. Okay, now we're in a different setting. We're going to try a different prompt. Colin, I want you to look down. I want you to think of your earliest childhood memory, and then look up at me and try to express it. Look at the camera this time and try to express it to me with your eyes, mouth, and ears. Okay, this time I'm going to ask for another pose, and I'm going to take a few photos. Okay, Colin, I want you to think of if you could be any superhero and of any superpower, what it would be, and express it with your body. So you can express it with your feet, your arms, your legs, everything but verbal. Okay, Colin, I want you to think of the bravest person you know, and I want you to tell me about them verbally this time, so it's okay to open your mouth.
I don't know, man. I think about somebody brave.
Who's someone you look up to?
Somebody I look up to would be, or somebody super brave, what I would say would be my uncle. He came to this country with $100 in his wallet and was able to manufacture that into like building a home and a family unit, stable family unit, and he has a high-paying job in DC at Washington Hospital Center. So I'd say that's pretty brave, and he made the most of his life.
Okay, we're at the World War II monument, and we're going to do one more feeling pose. Colin, I want you to act like you're the president, and you're about to give a very signature speech, like the State of the Union. And I want you to, don't tell me, but express it in your face. Now we're at the reflection pool in Washington, D.C. with the monument in the background, and I'm gonna ask Colin for another prompt. Okay, Colin, I want you to tell me your earliest memory verbally, and I'm gonna take photos while you do that.
All right, so the earliest memory I have is when I was 4 years old, and I don't know how, but my book bag came off of my back and started running across the street, and my dad literally like ran into the middle of the street with cars coming, and he went and he grabbed the book bag, and he brought it back to the sidewalk for me, and I was just so thankful that we got it back, because I don't know how the book bag got off my back, but I was just so relieved to get my book bag back.
Let me see. You in the center? This one? Perfect. Look at me, Colin.
I like the pic, by the way.
Hey, Colin. Let me get the Jefferson in it. I'm trying to like make her shirt a different color. It's like in focus. Okay, I want you to look down, and then I want you to look at me, not this camera. I want you to look at me and look at me with the most seductive, like come here eyes you can. Okay?